Hi, Dave here from the ASE EEVblog. Today we're checking out multimeters. We're comparing digital multimeters with analog multimeters. I might even do a teardown Tuesday with these terrible Chinese crap meters. Look at them. I don't know how anyone can use these terrible things, so we'll pull these to bits and have a real teardown. This is the first meter I got when I was 12 years old from Tricky Dicky. It measures everything I need to see. I don't need any of these expensive adjuvants and all these. I don't know what an adjulant meter is, but anyway, let's have a look. Look, it measures battery voltage. Look, 4.432 something volts, so very 21 volts, and it measures ohmics. Look, short that out there. Oh yeah, well, if you've got to put that there, I suppose it's a bit of a disadvantage if you do that. But still, I've found these Dick Smith meters really reliable. I've had it for years, never blown up, never had any problems with it, so I think it's really good. Here's another high quality meter here. I haven't seen this one for a while. Let's have a look at it. It's pretty good, I think. I wonder if it measures DC voltage. It should, I suppose. It's one of the main functions. I've got the leads here all mixed up. Here, grab another battery and we'll check that. Look at that. Oh no, it's not seems DC volts, 2.5 volts. Oh, it's dead. I think it's dead. And I see, that's on the wrong range. AC. There we are. Put it on DC, and I'm sure it'll measure something there. Yeah. Oh, there we are. See, it's works and 1 volt. Oh, very good. Yeah. Now we'll have a look. We'll do a teardown Tuesday of that. But here's a very good meter. This is ohm meter. It's a very low ohms thing, and if you want to measure low ohms, like a loudspeaker or something like that, it's really good. So if we turn it on and do that, and let's see, 20 ohms, shove that there, then we can measure the ohms of that actual bit of wire, which is pretty good, isn't it? Here's a nice meter. If you're a telecom technician 50 years ago, you might have used one of these. We'll do a teardown Tuesdays with this sucker. Oh yeah. Oh look, there's the precision resistors, high voltage probes, potentiometer, shunt for the HT. Oh, that's for the 10 amp thing, yeah. Battery holder there for the milliamp scale. Look, there's even a circuit diagram in the middle of the thing. Huh, how cute is that? We'll get on now for the cheap Chinese thing. That's this cheap Chinese crap. We'll see if it measures anything. It's not even very accurate. I don't know how they import these things into the country. Load of rubbish, really. Let's have a look here. It's measuring that battery at 1.41 volts. 1.41. Try the Dick Smith meter. The faithful Dick Smith meter, and it's 1.402. Look at that. These things are rubbish. Just imported. We'll do a teardown. We'll do a teardown Tuesday on this. We'll have a look inside, see if there's any usable, serviceable parts inside. Get my screwdriver. Get the right one. Let's have a look at this. 2 screws. There we are. Oh no, it's a bit hard to undo. I have to take these off. I'll give it a screw there. And here, I'll have a look inside, see how badly it's made. The thing won't cover won't come off. Oh, this isn't. Oh, maybe it needs more screwing. We'll have to pry it off, I think, with a screwdriver here. There we are. It's coming. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that crap board. Look at that. Look at that circuit there. That's a low quality from China. They haven't put any parts in there. A fuse, that's a cheap fuse. Look, they put a spring there when they could put something better. I don't know how they get away with these things. I think I'll just, what am I going to do with this? Is it worth putting it back together? Probably not. Look, it's still working, sort of, even though I've pulled it to bits. 9 volt batteries, expensive to use. No, piece of rubbish. This came in the mail bag. I wonder what it is. I think it's it's another multimeter. Huh. Sana. Never heard of those. We could do a teardown on that too. Just 1 screw to undo. See what the build quality is like. Don't know where it's come from. I think it's made in Bolivia. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, that's not. Oh look, that's quite good. Yep. High quality resistors there. Chrome plugs. Yeah, I think that's big improvement on this rubbish from China. Look at that, made in Bolivia, made in China. You just can't compare them. Oh, property of A.H. Bowley, the bowling green. Of course, I forgot to mention my Goodwill digital multimeter, GDM 8035. It's a really good unit. I've had this for quite a long time. From the early 70s. Look at that. Works so well. It's measuring a 9-volt battery. 100 years ago, people had to make their own multimeters. Buy the meter, make a board, even build all the shunts themselves. Look at that. The resistors there, homemade shunts. This belonged to Herb Stevens, the original Vk3ase. There's a bit of a closer view. And these are the things they had to use in the 1920s and 30s. Fantastic! I like it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to discuss it in the forum, don't go to the link below. Catch you later.